Hello and welcome to another video about Cardano. In this video, I want to talk about a partnership or a platform that is built on the Cardano blockchain, which is COTI. I talked about COTI end of June, and you can take a look at that video that I did earlier back in June. If you follow the link at the top of the video now, I encourage you to watch that first because that video talks about a lot of the fundamentals, why I think the project has a lot of potential. And I know since then a lot of new subscribers have come in, so many of you guys won't have seen that video, but I think it was pretty good one actually back then. And I encourage you just to watch it because in this video I don't really want to talk about a lot about the fundamentals. Nothing fundamentally has changed really. If anything, it is getting more interesting because, Cardano smart contracts are being rolled out and everything. But we want to take a look at the price because COTI has recently broken out and I think it's going to break out further. I think there is much more potential. I think it's still a good price, but as always, not financial advice. Yes, so please always do your own research. So COTI, I talked about it. This is a price chart. I talked about it when we were back here in June where the price was 13 cents. We are now at 38. Back then it was number 246 by market cap. It's now 170. Shows you that it's outperforming some of the other cryptocurrency projects. Of course, no wonder it's part of the Cardano blockchain ecosystem. So, of course, as smart contracts are being rolled out and Cardano is getting more popular, this one is getting more popular as well. There might still be a possibility to get in at a good price. At least for me, I'm going to buy a bit more. Especially if you take a look at ADAX, which is another project built on Cardano. This has from back in June, probably need to take a look. Back in June, we were somewhere, can't even go back that far, I think, but we were something at 26 cents. We are now at $2 roughly, just below $2. And COTI, isn't there yet. It is only like 3x from then. So for me, there is much more potential in COTI, especially it has a genuine use case anyway. It's not just a DEX, it's actually a payment platform and everything is getting more digitalized. And it's recently seen here in August a really massive boost. So it's consolidated since then. So it might be a good time to get in. That's why I'm going to do it. I bought some back then. I'm going to buy some more. I need to see where I can buy it. I think I bought it on Binance back then, but maybe now I can buy it somewhere else. And we take a look at the price now. So anybody who listened to this and bought some at the time, it was a really good opportunity. So where are we now? We are now here. This is the 4-hour chart of COTI. And what we can see clearly, I think it hasn't seen that boost yet. I think if we compare it, for example, to the Cardano chart, Cardano is already up here somewhere. This one hasn't seen a new all-time high. We're forming a cup and handle here clearly now. So we've got that cup formation, consolidation. Yeah, this is now the handle. And this is a clear breakout point. If we get above this level, that's a clear breakout for me. So we're on the 4-hour chart now. So let's just see where we are then. And I need to draw a line here. That's a clear breakout point, guys. If we manage to get above this level, this is so clear, 49 cents. This is so clear. You can clearly see that here, here, and here. These were all resistance levels. And this is such a clear point. So there is even now scope to get up there. I think that will definitely be another attempt from 37 to 48. Even if you take profits at 48, that would be a good trade, at least for me, but not financial advice. But then, some people might want to wait for the breakout above 49 cents. That would be another good trade in my opinion, because then you can definitely get to the all-time high. Is it the all-time high? At 60 cents. But yeah, from now to 60 cents, I mean, that is a big potential. However, I think depending on, as the closer we move to the 12th of September, I think this one will kick off further. I mean, nobody can promise it, but looking at this bullish formation, cup and handle, very bullish. I think there will be a breakout attempted. I think we'll get through. Looking at the fundamentals, and even if we don't get through at this stage, long term, this is for me a really good investment. And as I say, I just need to repeat it, not financial advice, because I'm a bit biased maybe as well, but I really like the fundamentals. I like the chart, how it looks, that we really have this very clear, in this case, really a very clear, you rarely get them very clear. But this is so clear, this cup and handle formation. This is so clear, and we can very clearly also see here this this handle currently forming. Wow, I mean, for me, I'm gonna buy more today actually. If we take a look at the daily, this is the 4-hour chart. If we look at the daily, I mean, we can see where we're coming from, as always with these projects. Oftentimes, the earlier you get in, the better, but we can so clearly see that cup and handle working out. So on the daily here, let's take a look. We are above all the moving averages. Back when I did that video in June, we were actually below all the moving averages, which was probably a good time to buy. We were nearly in oversold territory on the RSI. I'm gonna take the stochastic out here. What I want to show you is the MACD. The MACD has made a bearish cross recently, but that was because we were consolidating after that huge pump here to 49 cents, which looking back was a clear resistance level, looking at previous resistances. And however, this seems to be turning now again after we've seen a big pump in the last few days. And the good thing is the RSI is not in overbought territory yet. So we seem to be going up again. Yeah, there is scope to the upside again from an RSI point of view. And what is really nice is that this 20-day moving average, the green line, yeah, this green line here is providing support. So you can clearly see how the price bounced off the daily 20-day moving average. That's providing support. I don't see that trend slowing down in any way at the moment, which is confirmed by the RSI. We can see where we are coming from. We came from here, we've got a steeper trend now, so we're actually moving up. And I think Cardano is actually like doing this. So we could, if we say something could be happening now, we could see an even steeper trend to the upside. And I don't see it slowing down in any way at the moment. Very strong green candle at the moment. And when I finish this video, I'm going to buy some more. I'm not going to wait for the breakout because, you know, even if we get rejected again at 49, so I can't promise we break through the 49 cent level, but even if we get rejected, I will hold them long term. I mean, I bought some at 13 cents. Don't know how many of you guys did the same, or definitely before today, because this is just a project with a lot of potential for me. Can't really see any major resistance levels before us getting to the 49, which is probably why we had that huge pump here. I mean, there might be one here, like at 40 cents. Yeah, there might be one. Yeah, we had that before, haven't we? So 40 cents is probably another resistance level where we had some resistance here before. Yeah, you can clearly see that here, but the overall trend is to the upside. And even, you know, and there we had resistance here as well. And this is daily buy as well, but all the time frames are showing an uptrend. I just showed you, let's just double check that, but we can see it on the hourly. And there's obviously hourly. On the hourly, we are above all the moving averages. On the 4-hour chart, we just checked we were. On the daily, we just checked we were. Let's take a look at the weekly. Need to get back to the weekly. And on the weekly as well, above all the moving averages. Yeah, very interesting. I can't really say anything else. We have even made that bullish cross here on the MACD on the 16th of August, I think. So that means that is where the MACD line crossed the 0 line, above the 0 line, and also we have a green histogram. For me, I mean, looking at the potential and the chart, big potential. It's going up at the moment. I'm going to transfer some funds now and buy some more COTI. Right, let me know if you're doing the same. Again, not financial advice, but hope you appreciate the update. A lot of you guys wanted to hear some more about Cardano partnerships and projects. So there is one, COTI, because I talked about it before. And yeah, hope you liked it. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want to follow me on this crypto journey, then please subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.